welcome to the DIYDuo Fairytale Flower Crown tutorial. Yeah, finally did it. First tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial, you will need jewelry wire, hot glue gun, wire cutters, measuring tape, ribbon, nail polish, and creativity. For each flower, I used about an 8 to an 8.5 inch piece of jewelry wire. Here's a video of the jewelry wire. There's 2 pieces. This is a glue stick about 1 inch in diameter that I use to make all the petals for the flowers. You just twist it around a few times and then you gotta wiggle a little bit to get it off. And that will be your petal. Yay, 1 done. With 3 more to go. Yep. So you just kind of keep making the petals until you have enough for each flower. I make about 4 petals per flower. You can make 3 or about 5. I made, in this tutorial, 14 flowers in all. You can go up to 20 though, or you can stay at 10, however long you can put into this. The flowers do take some time, but they're so worth it. When you're done with each flower, just twist the ends, and ta-da! You have your flowers. Next you want to make the crown part. For this I used a 44-piece inch of wire, and I folded it in half, so it's 22 inches, which is about the size of my head. I left a little hole at the end so that you can slip the ribbon through. For the ribbon, I used green from Joann's. Make sure you make a hole at each end of the crown. This is how you'll be able to thread the ribbon through the hole, so that you can tie the ribbon together later so it'll fit on your head. I wrapped the end of the ribbon around a few times so that when I pulled it off, it made a pretty curl. You don't have to do this. This is just something I want to do to make it extra pretty. And then once you're done, you just snip the ribbon off and pull it through the hole. Make sure you leave enough ribbon so that you'll be able to tie it about 6 to 8 inches, depending on how much ribbon you want. Make sure you really wrap it around the end so that you'll cover up any little wire pieces sticking out. Ta-da! Now we are done with the crown part. Now onto the flowers. The flowers to me are the fun part. This is the polishes I used. I used lots of different colors. You can use any colors you want. Now you want to take your first color of nail polish and one of the flowers. Once you pick the flower, you gently dab polish all over the metal piece of the petal. Then, once you have enough polish on all the ends of the petals, you want to slowly take the brush of the nail polish and try to collect the polish from one end of the petal to the other petal. I needed to get a little bit more polish for this one. It'll take a little time, but ta-da! Look at that! Yay, 1 down. Now only 50 more. Once you get the hang of it, it'll start going a lot faster. Once you're done painting all the flowers and they've had time to dry, take the stem of each flower and insert it into one of the folds of the ribbon. I had to use a little hot glue just to make sure they stayed nice and snug in my flower crown to ensure the flowers don't fall out. Now you're almost done with your fairytale flower crown. The last step is to take the end of the ribbon, add a little hot glue, and then fold the end over, just to make sure your ribbon doesn't fray. Now you're all done with your new fairytale flower crown. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. Please check us out on Instagram, our website weebly.DIYDuo2.com, or on our Etsy store, DIYDuo Co. Thanks for watching. Craft you later.